Hello everyone. So going forward, we will be discussing or we will be using Agentforce data library. But before understanding or before diving deep into the Agentforce data library, first let's understand the concept of RAG. RAG is the basic concept behind the Agentforce data library, right? So RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, and RAG is a technique that delivers better generative AI results by enabling companies to automatically provide the most current and relevant proprietary data to an existing LLM. So let's understand it this way, very simple, right? So here is your Salesforce CRM where you have created your AI agent, right? And this is your LLM, right? We know that whatever prompt you give to your agent, the agent will send that prompt to the LLM, and then LLM generates the answer, right? We all know that. So here is your Salesforce CRM, and here is your LLM. Now let's say that if I go to the this agentic AI, and if I ask him that what is the pricing policy of Crazy Cloud, right? So he will return you an answer that sorry, I'm not able to get that answer. Why? Because this AI agent is not aware about my company policies, right? This AI agent is not aware about my customer data. This AI agent is not aware about my internal data, right? Why? Because this particular AI agent is sending your prompt to the LLM, which is a third party. And this LLM is not at all aware about Crazy Cloud. This is not aware about my customers. This is not aware about what my internal policies are, right? So here RAG comes into the picture. So whenever you ask anything to your AI agent, RAG will bring your customer data, or RAG will bring your company's policies to the LLM in the runtime, and then LLM will use this particular data to generate more better AI answers, right? I hope that was clear. Let's understand it again. RAG is a process which connects your Salesforce CRM or let's say RAG is a process which connects your customer data or your internal data to your LLM, right? So now so that LLM can have your internal data, which can be used to generate more better AI answers, right? So this is why RAG is used for, right? So RAG is basically a mediocre, right? Now, let's take an example of this general FAQ document of Crazy Cloud. So here we have a general FAQ document which have hundreds of predefined questions and answers, right? So now, but not every AI or not every agent is aware about those answers, right? So no matter you go to any AI agent and ask about Crazy Cloud's internal policies, right? So they will not be able to answer those questions because those agents, those AI agents do not have the access of my internal data, right? So let's say without RAG, if you this is a person, you are a person, and this is your LLM, right? So if you go to the AI agent and ask that what is the course validity, right? So LLM, now this LLM do not have access to my internal policies, right? So this LLM will not be able to answer this question. So this LLM will return that sorry, I don't have access to the platform's policy documents, right? And what if I configure RAG inside my Salesforce, or what if I configure the RAG into my agentic AI, right? So with RAG, the answer will change. Now, what will happen is whenever a user is giving a prompt that what is the course validity, now this particular prompt will be going to the LLM along with your internal policy document, right? Why? Because RAG is bringing your particular your internal document to the LLM, so that LLM can use that particular data to provide more personalized output, right? So the answer will be you will get lifetime validity with free updates, right? Now RAG can use any type of document, just like PPT, any Excel sheets, or images, videos, and chat transcript, emails, right? So there can be a tree of unstructured data, right? Every company can have unstructured data, right? Including PDFs or JPG files, images, videos, right? Email transcript, chat transcript. So why we should not use those particular unstructured data to provide more better answers, right? So that's why we have created RAG. Now, see, how does the LLM gain knowledge of our policies? How this LLM is aware that what is our policies, right? So this is why RAG comes into the picture. So the unstructured data can involve the emails, chats, phone calls, chat transcript, files, PDFs, images, videos, anything, right? So this is what we call runtime internal company data feeding to LLM, right? So there is also you also can think that is there any security breach or something that RAG or that the LLM is using our internal data, right? So basically, Salesforce has signed multiple what say Salesforce has signed multiple agreements with the multiple LLMs so that LLMs cannot store your company data, or LLMs cannot store your any of your data to train their models, right? This is what we call zero data retention policies, right? So this is safe and secure. Now, what are the benefits of RAG? It is timeliness and relevance. Why? Because now the LLM has your company internal data, so it will create more better answers, right? So the answers created by that LLM using RAG is called as AI grounded generation, right? So we will definitely understand in details. Now the second point is greater trust, more control, and enhanced search, right? How does RAG work? So basically, there are two types of searches. One is keyword search, and another one is semantic search. Keyword search is something which we use in SOQLs, right? So we write that select ID comma name from account where name equals to Yash, right? So that is a keyword search, right? So that particular SOQL will only get the data which have Yash, right? But semantic search basically is used whenever we want to search based on the context, not on the keyword, right? So that is what semantic search is. So RAG uses semantic search to find the right info from your company's data, even if it was not part of what the AI was originally trained on, right? It then uses that info to give better, more accurate answers. This is called grounded AI generation, and helps the AI respond with the facts based on your actual business knowledge. So now, there might be possibilities that this LLM is not trained on your company data, right? But that's why we have RAG, right? So this RAG will train this LLM in the runtime, right? So this is what RAG is used for. So here we have types of searching. We have keyword search and we have semantic search. Keyword search finds results based on exact word or phrase which you type, right? It looks for matched in the text without understanding the meaning. But semantic search, on the other hand, understand the meaning behind the words. It will not use the exact keyword, but it will use the meaning or the context of the word, right? Even the keyword is not matched, right? It will always use your context to search. These are the core elements of RAG: pre-processing and indexing, retrievals, grounded AI generation, and augmentation. So this is your RAG. Let's suppose this hand is in RAG, right? So first RAG will collect. So as soon as you provide any prompt to your agent, this RAG will collect all the unstructured data into this, right? And then then we will have retrievals and retrievers. So retriever is a tool which uses semantic search. Retriever is a tool which uses semantic search to search your answer into those unstructured data, right? And retrieval is nothing but the retrieved data, right? So next, RAG uses powerful semantic search tool which is retrievers, right? To sift through the business's internal data and find means retrieve, what's needed for a specific query, right? And the third one is grounded AI generation and augmentation. So once the RAG or LLM finds your answer, it will generate more better personalized output and provide it to your agentic AI, right? Let's takes few examples of RAG by industries. So first example is of healthcare industry. An AI agent in the healthcare field could answer a patient's question and help schedule the best provider for their needs. So let's suppose there's a medicine, and there's a document of that particular medicine, that why this medicine should be used and in what diseases this medicine can be used, right? Now I go to any AI agent, right, and and provide that particular PDF to the AI, and now I can ask this AI that why should we use this medicine, right, or anything, right? So basically, RAG is a process where your AI agent can have access to your unstructured data, right? Whether it can be a PDF, image, video, or maybe your Excel files, anything, any type of data, unstructured data, right? An AI agent in educational industry can guide students in choosing the right course. An AI agent in e-commerce can assist customers in finding the right products, right? So this is how this is what RAG is, and this is how it works, right? I was able to explain it to you. If you have any other questions, you can always ask me into the comment section. Thank you.